Do you like my tomatoes? Hello, I am the awful chef. I eat, therefore I cook. Today we're making something really simple because it's a highlight on technique. It's just a tomato salad with balsamic dressing. But if you do it wrong, it's terrible. If you do it right, it's great. So, let's get started. Sorry about the motion sickness there. I'm still learning how to use this thing, and in fact I may have to reshoot my last video. It was a little plumber friendly, so to speak. So, the first thing to do is the garlic. And that is what passes for a fine mince around this house. I'm the awful chef for a reason. I put it in olive oil because that keeps it from oxidizing, and it keeps down on the odors and such. You'll notice the garlic is chopped. I did not use a garlic press. If you use a garlic press, the flavor of the garlic will become insanely strong, and it's going to make people say, "Oh, there's garlic in this dish." There is a French technique in which you finely mince garlic, salt it, and then grind it to a paste. And you use that for certain things such as salad dressings. You can mimic that technique with a garlic press, mashed garlic, salt, and a little olive oil. And that does have uses in things like garlic butter noodles. But by and large, garlic is like a person. You treat it nicely, and it'll be nice. That's one of the reasons why I almost never smash a garlic clove. There are a few times to do it, but they're very rare. So, let's get started on the balsamic dressing. As mentioned, garlic and olive oil. A little bit of black pepper. You'll notice my finely ground black pepper. Oh yeah, I'm such a gourmet. A little bit of salt. Oh yeah, this is Himalayan Costco Malaysian super whatever salt. Salt. A little bit of balsamic vinegar. I am not using the finely aged balsamic vinegar. Okay, what you have now is a mess. This is not a dressing. This will be serviceable, but it will not be good. And because it's oil and vinegar, you can stir until the cows come home and nothing's going to happen. That may not be perfect, but I do like it. So, what is our magic thing to do next? French style mustard. I hope they're going to sponsor my channel and give me money and make me rich. But until such time, we will just make food. So, I'm using a spoon. That's right. This won't make any sense at all. But if you want to taste the balsamic vinegar, use French mustard. So stir, stir, stir. Yeah, this is so exciting, right? Just can't imagine. Oh, that's good. Strong balsamic taste, smooth emulsion, hint of garlic, but not overpowering, even though I used 2 cloves of garlic, because we like garlic in this house. And now, into this black mess, I will add some chopped cherry tomatoes. If you want to be really fancy, you can put some dried parsley on top and say, "Oh, look, I'm such a wonderful person." So, Remember your garlic techniques. And remember the magic ingredient, which is French-style mustard. With that, I give you a really simple, really stupid, but delicious tomato salad. You serve that up with some, I don't know, flatbread. Notice the crispy edges. Nobody likes those. And a glass of wine, and some people will actually call that a very light dinner. I call it tapas. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope I taught you something today.